Hi guys, today we're going to take a quick look at Microsoft Word and how we're going to use it in the office. The way you're going to use Microsoft Word here in our organization is primarily for reports. We have a variety of reports. We have a monthly status report. Anytime we do data analytics and share those with other teams or leadership, that's a report. Of course, we do research reports. All of those you're going to use Word. And then when we write letters to our clients, of course, we use Word as well. Really, all of the features that you need to know and understand are reflected on this ribbon. And I'm going to take a minute and switch over to the Word software so we can go through each one of these tabs on the ribbon and talk just briefly about what's available for you there. Now we're going to take a look at each one of these tabs on the ribbon and what you can find at each one of those spots. So Home is the first tab, and here you'll be able to find a lot of the tools for editing your document or actually setting it up to begin with. It's the font, which is in this field. You can select your font, and there's a lot that are pre-programmed and available for you. There's also the size, how you might want to change your font, listing with bullets or numbers, this alignment of your text, whether you want it, to the left, centered, to the right, or in block text. Also your spacing between the lines, indenting and outdenting. Just a lot of formatting tools are available for you on this tab. The next tab is Insert. So in your Word document, if you're wanting to add a table or pictures, shapes, any of these items, including a screenshot, a video clip, a hyperlink. So many things are available for you as far as adding things in. This is also where you would add a header and a footer to your document and page numbers as well. The third tab in is called the Design tab. And here is where you can set up a design or a theme for your entire document. And part of that is color, but another part of that is also selecting your font styles. The layout is simply letting the software know what size of paper you're using, if it's portrait or landscape, which they call the orientation, what your margins are going to be set at for your document, any tabs or indents. That is your layout. Now for references, if you are doing a research report or anything that's going to require references, this is going to help you if you need to insert a table of figures or caption. But basically it's this tool here that can help you create a table of contents and show the software which pages, and that can be based on the size of the font, if you're using a style, or if you put in a symbol to let Word know, hey, this is a section that I would like to have added to the table of contents. So that is there for you. Mailings, I would say this is a more advanced feature in Word, but there is a way to use what's called a mail merge feature, which if you have a database of names of customers, for example, or employees, and you want to merge those names with a letter that you've written, this is the tab that you would use to do that process. The Review tab is probably one that you would use if you're getting feedback on your document from other colleagues or perhaps from your manager. There's an opportunity to add comments here. Also, of course, you can check your spelling and grammar, and the thesaurus link is there, but usually this is going to be used for adding. And then this last tab, the view, is simply how many pages of your document you want to look at the same time. If you want to see the ruler or grid lines on the page while you're working with it. So it's just really kind of what you're going to see in the size of the pages. So this has just been a quick overview of the ribbon in Word, all the options that are available for you, and hopefully this will get you started the next time you want to use Word to create a document.